Imperialism. Imperialism in India. The discovery of the sea route to India by Vasco da Gama in the year 1498 opened up new possibilities and opportunities for trade in India. Companies from Portugal, the Netherlands, Great Britain, and France saw opportunities to establish trade links. So, companies were from these countries. Like the East India Company was formed in Britain in the year 1600, the Dutch East Indian Company in the year 1602, France East India Company was formed in the year 1664, the Companhia do Comércio da India from Portugal was formed in the year 1628. There was bitter rivalries between these companies for trade in India. So there was war between these companies related with trade. But the British East India Company emerged victorious. So in course of time, these companies, taking the weakness of Indian kings, the British took control of political power in India. And India was under the British rule for 2 centuries. So within these 2 centuries, while the British brought order, stability, along with introduction of social reform, education and promote technology, but millions of people in India were living in deplorable conditions, hardly enough to eat. Cash crops were produced in India, food crops, leaving people to starve. British manufactured goods destroyed local industries, and Indian education was also considered inferior to British. So, British rule in India instigated many revolts and rebellions, and later we got freedom from the British in the year 1947. The imperialism in China. We will be discussing the points related with imperialism in China. Imperialism in China began with opium. Opium is a highly addictive narcotic drug. It is used for preparing medicine. So there was war for control of trade related with opium. The British, with their superior military strength, were victorious. So they obtained trading rights through Treaty of Nanking, and they were allowed to trade from 5 ports of China. Later, France also got trading rights in southwest China. German got trading rights in northern China. Even Russia traded with China. The United States entered late, but they promoted the open door policy. They demanded that anyone can go and do trading in China. So later the Chinese people rebelled against these foreigners in form of Boxer Rebellion. A rebellion that started from certain region called Boxer. It failed, but convinced the Chinese that reform and change were necessary and free China from this imperial control.